What is it?
You like your cake?
Yeah, that's good.
I'm trying to record it.
Oh!
River.
Yeah, things other than steamed vegetables. It's like, this stuff's great.
Why have you been holding out for
Yeah.
a whole year?
This isn't breast milk. Easy, buddy.
You're hitting the sauce a little hard there, aren't you,
Cook, Peppy. Oh, now the people doing it. Look at you.
You get to enjoy that all over again.
Okay, so. I think what?